Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining in. Have a great day. We now need to turn our attention to our IPO corner. Bikaji Foods IPO has opened for subscription today. It will run till the 7th of November. Mangalam is here to tell us more about the company and the issue.
Well, as far as the company is concerned, it is India's third largest ethnic snacks company in India. The issue is a roughly 900 crore offer for sale, which is, seeking the company to have a post-listing market cap at the higher end of the issue price at around 7,500 odd crore rupees. It is the largest manufacturer of bhujia in India as well as namkeen. So just telling you that 35% of their revenues come in from bhujia, 39% comes in from namkeen, some comes in from western snacks and sweets as well, which is a highly unorganized market. So the shift about unorganized giving way to the organized industry is something that everyone is watching out for. They have a strong brand, but we need to keep an eye out on a couple of risks as well. The biggest one is that of competition coming in not only from local and domestic players, but a lot of these MNCs who are eyeing the Indian palate as well. There are geographical limitations because of the GI patent of Bikaneri Bhujia. The aggregate value of related party transactions for the company is also about 10% of their sales. And importantly, they have unsecured debt investments of around 117 crores in group companies, and raw material inflation is something that we will have to watch out for going forward. The last year they did revenues of around 1,600 crores with 7% margins, but they have capacity of doubling the revenue to about 3,500 crores from here. And even if the company doubles their net profit from levels what we've seen in the previous couple of years and does about 100 to 120 crores, it's been offered at around 58 to 60 times FY24 earnings. So that's elevated even by FMCG standards.
Right, Mangalam, got a couple of hungry people in the studio with all that talk of bhujia and snacks and whatnot. Thanks very much. But, the IPO of Global Health, which operates the Medanta chain of hospitals, also opened for subscription today. It's going to be another interesting one. So one more hospital chain in the listed space soon. Ekta is here with details that you must know about the issue. Ekta, over to you.
Well, yes, it has opened for subscription today, and up till the 7th of November, price band is 319 to 336 rupees. They're looking to raise a little over 2,200 odd crores on the upper end. Now, the implied market cap is anywhere between 8,580 crores to a little over 9,000 odd crores. It's a combination of a fresh issue, which is worth around 500 odd crores, and an OFS offer for sale, where Carlyle will be exiting from the company. Remember, Carlyle entered in 2013, and they've already struck a pre-IPO deal for an equity of around 6% and now with the OFS, they will be exiting the company. Fund utilization from the fresh issue, 375 crores, will be invested in subsidiaries of the company, eventually used for debt repayment. Now, about the company, it is run by or promoted by Dr. Naresh Trihan, the renowned cardiac surgeon, and it operates a network of 5 hospitals, which is mainly in the north and the eastern markets of the country. They have 6 multi-speciality clinics as well, and they have 1 hospital which is coming up in Noida. A total of around 2,500 beds is what they have currently. A couple of key points: it's a strong doctor-promoted name within the entire hospital space. Occupancy rates have been around 59–60%, so there is potential to improve. The average revenue per occupied bed has risen to around 60,000 rupees, so it has potential in terms of an upside. International revenue is picking up. It was at a peak at around 11 to 12%, fell to 4% and has now risen to around 6% odd. New verticals are in a nascent stage in terms of growth, so we can expect the likes of pharmacy, home care. They are exploring diagnostics and digital as well, and the company is looking to expand their bed capacity. In terms of margins, they stood at around 20 to 21% in the previous quarter, and in terms of valuations, it stacks up at around 18 times EV to EBITDA on an FY22 basis, and that's largely mid-range. It's cheaper than the likes of Apollo as well as Narayana as well as Max, but it's a little more expensive than a couple of the smaller ones.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. Well, we're almost at around 18,060 odd. We have perked up a little bit in the last few minutes. A 3 p.m. move. Well, we've recovered close to around 30 points from the low point of the last 1 hour or so. So just keep an eye out on that mark. 18,070. I think that's a crucial mark. If we get past that and we trade about that, we could see a quick bounce. For the time, we will slip in a short break. On the other side, Nimesh is waiting for us. He'll tell us what's going on in dealing rooms, in D-Street chatter. We'll also get our technical experts who will be back with us.